In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your Beats Solo 4 in case you're having issues with them, or maybe you simply want to resell them or to give them to somebody else and you don't want these to connect automatically with your iPhone or other devices every time the other person is around. Well, it's quite easy to do. Let me show you. So first of all, we're gonna turn them in this position and you're gonna find the power button. There's only one button and it's located on the right side over here. The other side has a small LED light. Now, all you need to do is to keep press this button, do not release it, for around 10 seconds until you see over here the small LED light turning to red. Then you can release it. So let's do it together. I'm keeping this button pressed and I'm not releasing it until I see the color red appearing here. All right, a bit more. And here we go, red. Now I can release the button. It will flash red about 3 times, 2 times, and this will simply means that they are now factory resetted. The light over here will flash white once this is done. It simply means that they are in pairing mode. So right now, for the next 5 minutes, you'll be able to pair them with a new device, iPhone, laptop, whatever other device you have. If after this amount of time you didn't pair them, they may exit pairing mode by themselves. And to put them back into pairing mode, you'll simply have to keep press this same button during about 5 seconds until this light will start flashing once again.